Hello guys, today we're going to be playing Subway Surfers. So, yeah, we're playing Subway Surfers. Let's get on. Fat cop. Okay, I only have 2,000. Wait, I have enough for this, don't I? Yeah. Yes, but I have enough. It says I only have, 8 coins collected. Not only 8 coins. Duh, why can't I even buy it? Why can't I even buy it? That's not fair. What? Okay, it's starting to get faster. Never mind, no it's not. It's so slow. Is it sponsored by Walmart or what? Double points. Whatever that means. It doesn't mean double points. Oh, double points of high score. Okay. It's so slow. I'm not used to this. Just a second. Oh, I hate these boots, man. Just look at them. So bad. Trash. Man, how do you even run for this long, man? Alright, double points. Yes. Yes. Look how many coins I have. Man just ran out. If I had the magnet still. Come on, come on, come on. Whoa, there's like a mystery thing. Did you see that? I wish I collected that, but it's impossible to collect. When you got all of these around, I'm gonna watch an ad. Okay, now I'm starting again. Yes. Oh, now it's going fast. That's the way I like it. And where are all the coins at? No. Oh, look, another one. Yes. Oh my god. Please don't run out. Look, this was the mystery thing. Double jump. Wait, no. Alright, alright, alright. Whoa, this is not... I never seen this before. Double jump. Oh, you could go absolutely high. You could jump on top of trains. Oh man, my double jumpers ran out. What if I had the double jump with the boots on? Imagine that. I've actually never seen the double jump. Ever. Alright, come on, come on, come on. Alright, we're back. Boom. 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 Like, it's so fast, you barely have any time. Come on, let's go. Boom. Bouncers. I don't like these, but I guess I'll have them for now. See, look, you could already jump over trains with the bouncers. So what if you had the double jump effect with the bouncers? Okay, come on. Alright. Boom. What? I couldn't jump. I'm sorry, we keep watching ads, guys. I just want to beat my high score. Whoa, I beat my high score! Let's go. Just 1,000 off. I mean, 1,000 over. Almost 2,000 over. Okay. I'm gonna start again. Oh my god, it's so slow. Yes. I choose to get this. Now I got 3,000 over. Let's go, let's go. But I'm still super slow, which is not good. And that ran out so fast. Come on, come on, come on. Go. Yes. Oh my god, it's so slow. I can't jump that high. And I can't go that fast on the trains. It's so hard. Oh look, double jump, double jump. What? Alright, alright, alright. How much is this? 2,000? I don't think I can get that. Wait, let me just see. No, I cannot get that. That'll be a whole nother, skip over of the round. Skip 3,000 levels. Whoa. Oh. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Now these are the coins I want. Oh no, I can't. Oh, another one. Okay, good, good, good. I love these, whatever you call them, magnets. Ha. Can't trick me. Boom. Oh no, the jetpack thingy. I missed it. If I was faster than I am right now, I would have never made. Oh, double jump. Oh, it's a board, not a double jump. Oh, so it could be different things. Like last time it was double coins. So the first time it was double jump. Next time it was double coins, and now it's a board. Oh. See, this is why I hate them. Okay. Oh, the boots. Oh. They killed me. I don't like you boots. And my aim is terrible. Never mind, I'm gonna watch an ad. Okay, we're back. On the same level. Oh yes, I have 20,000. There's a chance that I could still beat my high score. My other high score. What? Alright. I still have time to beat my high score. Whoa. Whoa. No! I wasn't paying attention. Okay, we are back once again. Okay, I think this is like my last try that I get. Because I've tried a lot of times already. What? I literally swiped up. I really hate this game. Well, at least we got this mystery box. 1,000 coins. Okay. I have 2,867 coins. Daily gift. Okay. 3 keys. Ooh. Unlimited coins. Alright. Wait, I think I'm supposed to buy this. Yeah, I don't want to play this anymore. Please take me off. Subscribe. subscribe, guys. Just subscribe now. Click it. Click it. You better click it. Okay? Bye.